Alex and I'm cooking for 14 years. Today we're making black peppered strawberries and blueberries with an apple and basil granité. First I have some Granny Smith apple puree, some apple juice, fresh basil. Mix it well, take it and strain into a metal container. So now we have the flavor of the basil, and then we put it in the freezer for at least 3 hours or best overnight. So here I have some simple syrup. It's 1 part sugar, 1 part water, and I